Welcome to our personal budgeting game. Within the game, you're going to learn how to live on a monthly budget, practice paying bills on time, using your debit and credit card wisely to manage your credit history, make smarter financial decisions, and start saving to build your personal wealth. You will also need to seek a balance between wealth, health, credit, and happiness. Within the game, you have moved into an apartment and you are living on your own. You are now responsible for paying your own rent, utility bills, car loan, insurance, and grocery bills. You'll be expected to live within your budget, try to save at least 10% of your income, and be aware of life's random events that will try to bust your budget. In order to win and score points, you will need to build up your savings account balance, use your debit and credit card wisely, pay your bills on time, and achieve a balance of wealth, health, credit, and happiness. When managing your money, do not overdraw your checking account, do not forget to pay all your bills on time, do not forget to transfer money from your savings to your checking account, and do not forget to check your balances regularly. In getting started and to play the game, you will need to click on the dice in the lower right corner to advance through the month. You will need to manage your paychecks, pay your bills, earn budget booster points by answering questions, and deal with life's unexpected events. In the game, on the weekends, you get to choose what you would like to do. Would you like to earn extra money, spend time with family and friends, get your home in order, or study? Finding the right balance will help you with your quality of life score. In the game, you can also check how you're doing against other players. You can see this in your rankings in the competition and a summary of your score breakdown against other players. Your objectives of the game are to maximize your game score by increasing your savings account balance, your overall net worth, your credit score, and your quality of life. Best of luck, and remember to use your cash wisely.